In this video, we will talk about how to fix Start menu not working on Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, then leave a like and drop your feedback in the comments. Method 1. Restart Windows Explorer. Press and hold Ctrl, Shift, and Escape key on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Scroll it down and search for Windows Explorer. Right-click it and select Restart. Now click on the Start icon and check whether it's working. Method 2. Re-register Start menu. Click in Search, type PowerShell. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Copy-paste the command in here. I have mentioned the command in the description. Press Enter and wait until it completes. Now press and hold Alt key on your keyboard and press F4. Select Restart and click OK. After restart, click on Start menu and hopefully your problem related to Start menu will be fixed. So that's how you can fix Start menu not working on Windows 10. See you in the next video.